What it is, YouTube, it's your boy Easy. I'm back with another video. Part 3, I guess. We're gonna get back on the Dakota digital. I think what I left off at was the attack and the speedometer not working. I done tried different things trying to get it to work. It's still not working. So looked around on the site, the Dakota site, and I end up getting this right here, this BIM-1001-2 interface thing. It hooks up to the port right here, and it is supposed to read the tach. It's supposed to read the temperature, which it reads that fine, and it's supposed to read the speedometer. So we're going to hook this up and see if we can get the speedometer and tach working. See if I got the box in there. My wires and stuff are not. I didn't zip. Well, I had it all nice and neat, but I had to go back in it. I had to cut zip ties and stuff. So I'm gonna get that nice and neat, and then you can see here goes the interface. On the picture, I thought it was gonna be big, but it's a little small thing. The only thing I'm worried about is this cable long enough to go from right there, because I want to put it up in there. And there's another cable. This little cable hooks that to that. So I'm hoping this cable right here is long enough. If not, we're gonna have to figure something out. But just for now, I'm gonna just run it. Just gonna run it on the outside and see if I can get it working. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up and see if we can get it programmed and see if we can get some a speed reading and the tach. I know the tach works, because when I had the electronic gauges, the tach was working. And also when I hook up this little thing right here, this scanner for the Android phone, I got an Android phone, I can see the tach moving and stuff like that. So I know it works. Just for some reason it's not reading to this gauge. I did the resistor. I don't know if that's it. Yeah, I think this is it. Maybe. I don't know. I should have. Here I go again, not labeling stuff, because it's been a minute since I messed with this stuff. So I'll figure it out. But it shouldn't matter, because we're gonna program it to read from this and not the actual ECM. Also, some other things I did to the car while in between videos and stuff like that. All the front end suspension stuff is new. All that's new. Got an alignment, so it's riding pretty good. New shocks and stuff, all that. It's new under there. Still that. I wanted to ride. Might need to go and get some coilovers to get it right like a new car. Man, it's windy out here and cold, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this wired up. Pops did that when he took my tire off to do the lower ball joints, rim fill, whatever. We're gonna get some new rims this year anyway. But I'm gonna get in here, wire this up, and I'm gonna turn y'all back on.
Drop that shit, cool.
Alright, YouTube. Like I said, I just ran it just to see. It hooks up there, cable. I'm pretty sure this cable should be long enough. It's hooked up to the box, to the auxiliary. Which I can see. Like I said, I'm gonna get all these wires. I might have to shorten some and Put them back in there because I want that nice and neat, because both of them gonna sit up in there. So what we're gonna do, let's read these instructions. And let's see, data should always be available for RPM, speed, engine temp, and tape temp. Let's see. I have a VHX. All right, let's see. So yeah, we're gonna do. Let's see. I'm gonna have to drive first, so we're gonna go ahead and do this tack. And okay, it's about the same way. So I gotta use this little thing. I haven't mounted it yet. So I'm gonna try to set y'all right here. Don't know if y'all can. So we're gonna hold this, and then we're gonna turn the car on. And then, I don't know if y'all can see this. Then we're gonna go, we're gonna go to set up tech. And then we're gonna hold for like 3 seconds. I say tech engines is played. And then we're gonna hold it again. Engine. And we're gonna go to engine 8. And we're gonna go to, let's see, I think it said, oh shoot, might go through it again. Engine bus. And hold it, say done. And then we're gonna go to tack done, hold it again, and it's done. So, and now I'm gonna turn the car off, turn it, and see what we get. Looks like we got the tag working now. Yep. Oh, I ain't got no gas. That's cool. And so we're gonna try to do the speed. We're gonna set up the speed next. So you can see that here. It's got a blinking light. Alright, YouTube, we're gonna turn it right on. And we can hold this thing again. Stick that there. Alright, we gotta set up speed. Speed send. Yeah, I see that spider wheel. And speed. sender. It's gonna go to bus. Done. I was driving around a little bit and the speedometer was working. I don't know how accurate it is, but I'm gonna read up on it, you know, to get it calibrated right. Tach is working, temperature is working, oil pressure, voltage, and gas, which I ain't got no gas in here. Cause it does work. When I put gas in, it does move up. But I'm still gonna go back there and check the ground and its fuel wire. You know, make sure it's good. And so yeah, we can call the Dakota digital install complete. I'm gonna button up all these wires, and we're gonna move on to this right here. I'm gonna tell y'all about this right here. It's not working. It's still cause the blower on, but it's not kicking on the compressor, which is cold as hell, so I don't need the air. But it's not kicking in the heater either. I tested all the wires. It looks like they're all getting power besides this one right here, where my thumb is. That one right there is not getting any power when you switch, you know, the cool and heat on. And I noticed that, so what I did was I jumped a wire, a power wire, or some power, and I touched it, and the compressor and stuff, everything kicked on. So I'm guessing this part right here went bad or something. I did break it. I broke it when I was putting it in the very first time. So I don't know if, and also I nicked this, if I can see, focus. I can see I nicked it when I was cutting some wire and stuff like that. But yeah, this right here is not getting any power. This is getting power, so I'm thinking somewhere in here, when you switch, it's supposed to throw power over there, but it's not doing it anymore. So I got another one. Port number. I ain't even opened it yet. So I got another one, and I'm gonna hook it up also. I really don't want to hook it up. I'm not really driving the car like that. I don't want to hook it up until I can get something built where it can sit in there. I don't know if something touched it or a wire, it popped and messed it up, because I just got it hanging here. But I really don't want to put it in right now until I get something built, some kind of template thing built. My hands are ashy, look at that. Some kind of template built so it can sit in there correctly, and I can get all this, you know, straightened up. And so I'm not gonna put a radio right here. The radio gonna be in the console with 2 cup holders. So I gotta figure out what I want to put right here. So maybe like some charging ports or something, like, or the USB port from the number end right there. But I kind of don't want to hook up this new one. It might do the same thing. I'm thinking it's something touched or whatever, and it probably blew it out. I don't know. I really don't know. But I'm gonna go ahead and get all this stuff wired up correctly. Work shoes on, and I'll turn you back on. All right, YouTube, back. Got everything. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if you can see it now. I'm gonna have to take this out, but everything is taped up, and I had to I unhooked everything, shortened some cables, got it nice and neat, got it in there. Got this in there because this goes right here like that. It needs to be repainted, and I need some new vents. I didn't hook this up yet because, like I said, I need to get a template, go on here and get the template built for it. I might sit here and get some cardboard and make a template and go get it made, or I might just go on down to the audio shop and see what they can do for me. See what they got going on, or the interior shop and see what they got going on. See if they can design me something. Like I said, I just wanted it sitting in there, and then sort of USBs or something like that. I don't know. I got to design something. But the Dakota digital install is complete. Let's see. I got a little bit more. It's cold today, but I'm gonna spend a whole day of getting all that looking good under there. That wire hanging over there. These two wires are for the light when you open the door. Put an LED strip across, so when you open the door, it all lights up. But I don't know what's next for the Monte Carlo. Like I said, everything under there is new. I know I got a little side project for the Camry, so that might be the next video y'all see. Other than that, the MC needs to go back to the paint shop. I talked to my paint man last week. He said something about the end of the month, January. He may can take it in, so I'm gonna go back and holler at him sometime in probably the first week of February. Go holler at him, see what he got going on. But the OBS is at another paint shop, and he's working on it right now. I got to sand it down and stuff. I'm trying to get a video of it when I go check it out. When I go up there and check it out, he may get the Monte Carlo because I've seen some of his work, and he good. He do it on the side, and he don't have a lot of cars. Like when I took the OBS up there to him, he had one car and he was finishing it up, and the truck was going in next, and he didn't have nothing behind that. So, but if I go up there or whatever, I'll definitely get a video of it. So y'all hit that notification so when I post the next video, y'all can see what I'm doing. And y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.